What if I told you the fastest way to retire early in the UK isn't cutting Netflix, Starbucks, or waiting for your boss to finally give you that 2k pay rise? It's learning one high income skill that lets you charge more, earn more, and then invest more without working more hours. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, even if you're starting with no qualifications, no degree, and no technical background. Today's video is all about the 5 problems business owners will happily pay you big money to solve. How to turn simple skills into high income skills, and how to use your new income to build wealth fast through UK friendly strategies like ISAs, index funds, and property. 2 people, same job, totally different income. Here's something nobody tells you. Job titles don't determine income. Problems do. In the UK right now, one accountant is earning £20 an hour, another is earning £200 an hour. Same skill, different value. Here's another little example. One web developer earns £5 an hour, another earns £150 an hour. Same job, completely different bank balance. The difference, high income skills solve high income problems. Low income skills solve problems no one really cares about or wants to pay for. This is where your wealth journey starts. Let me know below, do you feel you get paid enough in your current job? If you want to make more, solve bigger problems. Every problem sits on a scale from slightly annoying to this is keeping me up at night, keep me awake at 3 in the morning. And the bigger the problem, the bigger the pay, basically. Small problems equals small money. Big problems equals big money. Here's the test. A problem becomes valuable when it affects someone's time, money, energy, or stops them reaching their goals. The closer your skill gets to solving these, the richer you can become. And no one has bigger, messier, more expensive problems than the big boys who I'll be talking about next. But first, I'm going to tell you how important investing is. The whole point of this video is so you can earn more, then you invest more. And if you want a bit of help and support with investing, subscribe to this channel and I'll do my very best with my 25 years of investing experience. Why business owners are your fastest pay rise. They're stressed, overwhelmed and drowning in tasks they don't have time to fix. And here's the best part. Business owners have money and they're desperate to pay people who can remove problems from their life. In fact, almost every problem a business owner faces fits in one of 5 buckets. And if you learn a skill that solves even one of these, you can earn £30 to £100 an hour within months. Let's break them down. The rest of this video, by the way, is going to be split into 2 parts. Part 1 is how you can solve big problems for business owners and then make more money. Part 2 is going to be how to use that extra money to invest and potentially retire early. I'd like to guarantee early retirement, but I can't. No one can. Part 1, the 5 problems business owners pay big money for. Problem 1, traffic. If you can get someone more customers, you'll never be broke again. Every business needs one thing, attention, and this leads to traffic, which leads to customers. But most small business owners are terrible at this. They're juggling like 47 tasks, posting randomly, following trends that don't work. This creates a huge opportunity for you. High income skills you can learn today include social media manager, ads manager, YouTube strategist, short form content editor. These skills can be low income or high income depending on how you use them. Low income version, just posting content randomly, no strategy, no understanding of funnels, no research, no creativity. High income version, you fully understand the customer. You manage the full process. You think strategically, you stay up to date with trends, what's going on. You actually generate sales, not just likes. That shift turns £12 an hour hobby into a £2,000 a month client. Problem 2, conversion. Views are worthless if nobody buys. Some businesses get attention, but can't convert it into money. This is where skills like copywriting, website building, funnel design, email marketing come in, they kick in, because they directly turn attention into sales. And these can pay $500 to $5,000 per project when you learn the high income version. Low income is like copyright, when you copyright, I write blogs, which leads £30 here, £50 there. High income copywriter, I help businesses turn traffic into revenue, $1,000 to $5,000 per job. Problem 3, delivery. Businesses don't need more customers, they need happier customers. Most businesses lose money because customers don't stay. a really good program manager can fix it. High income skills here include program management, course building, client experience, optimization, operations management. This is how people become six-figure freelancers. Problem 4, energy. Business owners will pay anything to get their time back. This is where virtual assistants, digital business managers, automation specialists, system builders, etc. The thing is, anything is possible with the right sort of energy. You can start making serious money because time is the most expensive resource every founder has. Problem 5, clarity. The most profitable people aren't experts. They bring clarity. Business coaching, consulting, and strategy are high earners when done properly. Not some random Instagram coach who gives generic advice or crypto bro promising the world, but real problem solvers who understand context, diagnose bottlenecks, build clear action plans, keep clients accountable. These roles can reach 3K to 10K per client. I know problem solvers who push themselves, who are on like 20K plus a month. I just have to convince them to invest their money and look after their future selves. Part 2. But how does this help me retire early? Because earning more is the cheat code to building wealth in the UK. You cannot save your way to financial freedom on a UK median salary. You must increase your income so you can invest more, in my humble opinion. Here's the formula I teach to everyone in my school community. 1. Increase your income using high income skills, which I've talked about. Earn an extra £500 to £2,000 a month in 6 to 12 months, depending on who you are and what you're going to do. And yes, it might take longer, but either way, you can earn more if you want it badly enough. I doubled my income in 2012 because I made the decision to go back to college 2 years earlier. 2. Invest that money tax-free through a stocks and shares ISA, lifetime ISA, a pension, and that would be a SIP or workplace pension, depending if you're PAYE or if you're a contractor like me. Index funds like the SP 500 or FTSE Global. If you want more options, you can see below for a recent video. You invest like this so your money compounds without HMRC dipping their hands in. It's tax-free. 3. Build assets. Over time, funnel income into a UK property deposit, REITs, a second ISA for your partner, business investments like the software company I've recently bought into, or you could buy individual stocks. 4. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Even £500 a month invested can become 500,000 after maybe 24, 25 years. Double that to £1,000 a month and you're on track for an even early retirement. Summary. If you master one high income skill in 2026, your entire financial future changes. Most people don't have a money problem. They have an income problem. And the moment you fix your income, you fix your investing power, which over time fixes your wealth, which then fixes your retirement. So if you want higher income, bigger investments, a faster path to retirement, and a skill you can start learning today, then start with one of the high income skills we've covered in today's video. Your income is the engine, your investments are the fuel, your future wealth is the destination. Let's say this little video gives you a kick up the arse, and after 6 months, you're earning an extra £500 per month. If you invest that money, you're talking hundreds of thousands of pounds after just 20 years. Your problem is you're not sure how to invest or what to invest into. All you've got to do is type yes below and you can join my private investing community on Skool, where you get one-to-one support with long-term investing. You might have noticed I'm in a different location because I forgot to put my financial disclaimer in. So here goes. Here's my financial disclaimer. This video, as always, doesn't contain any financial advice. I'm literally just trying to help you with my 24 years experience as an investor.